Hey, it's John from Faulkner. I just figured I'd make a video, make it easier for you. So to change the display for the heads-up display, what you want to do is go to Setup, click on where it says Vehicle. Then from there, it's going to say Heads-up Display, right? And then you can click on Display Control. From there, you can actually, I don't know if you can see it here, kind of hard to tell, but you can actually adjust it. You can lower it. You can make it go up. You can also make it rotate a little bit. Kind of hard to tell in the video, but you can rotate it right there, and then you can make it bright or you can dim it from this screen right here. Then the other thing you can do is you can actually go to the content selection. Any of these that you don't want to show up there, you can check them off, and you can also change the colors for the speedometer. So right now it says green. I'm gonna go to orange and then white, so you can do all that on the screen here. So again, to get to that screen, all you got to do is go to Setup, click on Vehicle, and then you have all the options for the heads-up display. All right, if you have any questions, shoot me a text or give me a call. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell.